Hello everybody, today I'm going to open some packs and try, lower down the volume, and try to pull a legendary or a rare golden, and let's build our team. So here's my deck. There. Oh wait, rarity. So I hacked it, come on. Yeah, this. If you want to know how to hack the Alchemist, it's on my last video. Search it. Or I will put the description. I will try. So this is my deck. Deck 1. It's good because I hacked it. If you want to hack it, go to my videos. And please also subscribe and like it. And let's go. Let's open some packs. So let's open the basic box. So what will we get? These are junk. Oh, grabbers. I didn't know about that. Come on. Legend, Cobra, a dragon. Come on. Legendary, please. No. Come on. Okay, junk. All junk. How about a portal key? Let's try one. I already tried some and I got very good amount of legendaries. See here, I already got them, but the others like Emok and Dire Bear, I still even got them, so I hope I can pull them. Polar Bear. Yes, we pulled Emok. Nice. I need him for deck that I need. Oh, junk. Dire Bear, no good. And maybe can find something more good. Oh, Dire Bear. He's good. See rewards. We got them all. Yes, we got the legendary. So let's go back. And how about you wanna open packs? Okay, open more. I'm going to open 5 more. Let's go. Let's go shop and let's try the rare. Blacksmith, junk, not worth it. I need legendaries. I need more. Sorry for the background. It's my sister. So this is the last open. Let's get some. Let's get more. Come on. Legend. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and like the video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.